baby, get you and me. It's time to boss up. Fix your credit, girl, get at it, get your bag up. Hit that gym and get back fine. Go get that degree, go girl, focus on me.
Hi loves, how y'all doing? Hope you guys are well. I know it's been quite a bit. Puja. Puja. My mom is about to feed the chickens, so let's put that here. So, grocery haul. I just came back from spa and we redeemed this. They had a promotion. I think it ended today. I don't know what we're supposed to do with such a big thing. Like, what do you even put in here? But it's pretty cute. It's pretty nice. I like the colors. Yeah, so my mom got that. And then.
So what am I supposed to do with this thing?
I don't know. You're the one who redeemed it.
It's ugly.
It's huge. I was actually asking the same thing. What are we supposed to do with that big thing? First thing we have is a bread croissant. Every time I've been going to spa lately, I haven't been finding it. So I already have like, what's it called? I have the white one that I bought, I think, earlier this week. But we like brown over here. And then the next thing is Hunter's Dry, the best cider, period. Just to refresh and talk about. Today is Feel Good August. It's the 1st of August. We want to feel good. So just got that. One is for my Nikki. And then the rest, I don't know if I want to give her a glass of wine or Hunter's. We'll see, child. And then we also got some cucumber. I am back on my healthy tip. This is the month that we stop eating starch.
Are you sure about that?
Well, today's the last day, but tomorrow's Monday. We're gonna start a new fresh page. And then I also got some Colcombe bacon. And then to just help me with this journey, got some bananas. We already have oranges and apples in the house. Got some lemons for that lemon tea cha and that hot water. And then tomatoes. Guys, Spa literally has some of the best tomatoes. I always brag about tomato spa tomatoes, sorry. And then we got Mazoe blackberry. Mazoe orange has been not so great for me. Like, I always feel like I have a cold or like a flu after. I don't know what's up with that. So I don't buy it anymore. And then the last part of this haul, we have broccoli. I love broccoli. I think she is that Han. We also have cauliflower, also that Han. And then we've got just like a bunch of spices from Amai's Choice. We've got white pepper, we've got lemon chicken, and we've got another white pepper. Excuse me. We've got mixed spice. And then these Heinz ones, the chicken, and then the barbecue spice, all spices. And then we've got some Cashel, is it showing? Cashel Valley baked beans, best baked beans, and it's from Sim. Then we've got some cheese. This is Lancewood, and then this is Kefalos. So I want to make Kefalos, I don't know. I want to make a mac and cheese tonight. So got some cheese, and then we've got some curry powder. Madras is the best. Please put down the Robertson curry powder, but sponsor me. But this is like really one of the best powders. I really love this curry. And then we have peanut butter from Willard's. I think everybody knows this little guy. Who does not know that little guy? So yeah. And then we also have some mangtout. Isn't this snap peas, guys? I feel like this is green beans. I don't know why it's written mangtout. Maybe that's the scientific name. I don't know. Then we've got some macaroni from Berabai. These are all Zimbabwean brands, by the way, which is pretty dope. And then I love the packaging of this, guys. This is Muputi Poultry, I think, because I can't really read the name, but it's a proudly Zimbabwean brand. Guys, is this not the most beautiful packaging you've seen for eggs? Like, I would not mind to pay an extra 50 cents for this packaging. This is elite, guys. I love the packaging. It's really, really pretty. I know the kind of stuff that excites me is weird. And then we have some vinegar. We were out of vinegar. And then my mom loves Coke, so got her some Coke. And then Rabroy tomato sauce. And then, wait, where? Wellington sweet chili sauce, the 500 ml. I actually want to check the price for this because this was less expensive than the 350, and I was so like weirded out because I was like, how? Wait, this is what Wellington's, right? Yeah, so the pricing was wrong because now it's like $5. Yeah, so I think they had mixed matched the prices. And then we have Pearly Bay sweet red wine. Guys, the prices for wine in Spa are ludicrous. They're wild. Pick and Pay liquor is actually cheaper. But then I think if you just you have to change your money outside. That's why I'm so lazy, because the exchange rate in Pick and Pay is 87. And their prices, when you then change it into USD, I think it's into RTGs, I think it's actually quite reasonable, more reasonable than Spa, if I'm not mistaken. And I feel like Spa raises their wine prices every single week. Then we've got some beef short rib. Yeah, short rib beef. And then we've got some Irvin's chicken thighs. And then we've got some Colcom chipolatas. And then we've got some live butter. Guys, there's a buttercup shortage in Harare. And it's not pleasing me and my homegirls. It's upsetting us. It's upsetting us. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to quickly clean the groceries, go and bath and relax. And just take you guys through this day. Take you guys through this day, honey. So. Hey loves, so I am about to make breakfast. My mom's making breakfast. Well, she started. I know she's not gonna come back. So she just made the bangers. I'm just adding bacon, and then I think we'll have with the fritters, and yeah. But I've bought. I look clean, don't I? Yeah, I am going to put you guys into like what's it called? What's that mode called? Like a time lapse, because you've got music playing in the background and I really do not want to be monetized. But yeah, enjoy this little montage time lapse of me cooking breakfast. lunch outside. I'm not having tea today. I'm having my hunters, and this is my plate. Yummy, yummy. So I'm just gonna go ahead and have, what do I have? Okay, I was wondering why I have 2 forks, knives in my plate, but yeah. Hey, so I'm done having breakfast. I am literally about to take a nap because I feel like I haven't had alcohol in such a long time, and it is taking me. It is taking me. So 1st of August is rest and restoration. I am literally done with breakfast, going to enjoy the last bit of my hunters and take a nap, and I will see you guys when I am up, awake, and refreshed. Hey guys, so after brunch I took a nap and now I'm in bed. I just got into bed because I am freezing. I am having a cup of tea, just some rooibos with lemon. What do you? Okay. And I am doing my crocheting, and I'm just going to finish up this top, but I'm running out of yarn, so this thing might not finish. So this is what I'm doing until I am done with this. Then I want to finish up a blue one, and then I'll start cooking. What time is it, my Nick? 4:45. Mjiribano. 4:45 Mjiribano. Hey loves, so I'm finally up. I'm done with the red bralette. I'll show you guys in a little bit, like when I'm done cooking. So I am, look at the person lurking in the background. So I am about to start cooking. We're having mac and cheese tonight. If you don't follow my cooking page, please go follow Dine with Shan on Instagram. I'll leave the handle somewhere here and you guys can give it a follow. We're making mac and cheese tonight. Yes, I'm lactose intolerant. Yes, don't drag me. But yeah, I'm just gonna make the plain one. Well, I'm gonna add breadcrumbs to this one first. Somebody gave me that really good tip, and I'll see how it goes. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this little cooking video.